Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how you can change background color of a div element on mouse over. As you can see, I got div element here. By default the background color is green, but when I will take my mouse over this div element like this, I'll get a red color. And when I will take my mouse off, you can see it is back to green color. So this is what we are going to build in this tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor here. Let's create an index file. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet, which will be style.css. We need a script element at the bottom. Script will be script.js. And we just need one empty div element here. Now just save this. Create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be cornflower blue. Select div element. Height will be 300 pixels. Width will be 300 pixels. Border will be 1 pixel solid black. Background color will be green. Margin will be 10 pixel and auto, just to center line it. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. And this is the output. Now let's work on the script file. Create script.js here. Let's select the div element first. We'll select it by the tag, which is div. Now here we'll add two events to it. The first one is mouse over. This will be the handler function. So this event will be fired when you will take your mouse over the div element. And in that case, I will change the background color to red. So here I will utilize the style property and background color property. Let's make it red, or simply copy and paste it. The next event is mouse out. So when I will take my mouse off, this event will be triggered and I will restore the background color to green. So that's all what you have to do to change the background color on mouse over. Now just save it. Go to browser. Let's take the mouse over this div element. You can see we are getting a red color. Let's take it off. We are getting green color. So I hope you understood how to change background color of a div element on mouse over. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.